Today we're going to show you how to make some colourful side decorations using different colours of sugar paste. Starting off with our tropical coral. This paste, as with other sugar paste, you need to knead it to bring the gums to life just before you roll it out. So I'm just kneading this to warm it up. Then once I think it's ready, I'll take my rolling pin and roll that one out. And for these side decorations, it needs to be fairly thin. So just roll it into a long shape. Keep moving it around to make sure it doesn't stick. Now it's roughly about the right thinness. And to get a nice neat line, I'm using a wheel tool. You roll the wheel along the sugar paste and it makes a nice even cut. So peel away the excess and you're left with a nice evenly cut strip of icing. So do the same again to get another strip of sugar paste. Using my wheel tool to make a nice neat edge and take away the excess. So now as I've got two neat strips, I can actually cut them to size and place them against the cake. So making sure you keep your icing for use later on. To mark on the side of the cake, it's easy to use the wheel tool. So you make a little mark at the top and that's where the strip of icing will sit. So to stick the icing to the cake, use a little cool boiled water applied with a clean paintbrush. So paint it all along where the strip will sit. And this will stick the icing to the cake. So trim the edge of the icing and lift it to the cake and press it down gently with your fingers. And once that piece is all stuck, just trim the top edge and it'll match all the others to make a nice even finish. And I'll do the same again with our green and all the other colours. Again, mark the position on the top of the cake using a wheel tool. Use a little cool boiled water to stick the icing to the cake. Press the icing onto the cake and trim the top edge. This can then be done for all the other different colours until all the gaps are filled. And here we have a pretty design on the side of our cake. You can either leave it plain like this, or if you want to add a little top decoration to do a little bit of colour, we've made a little open rose that you can see in a previous video.